Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are doing well. We are back again to continue with the first chapter in English language, Noun and its kinds. Let's start. What is noun? There's a proper definition for noun, but I don't want you to just simply cram it. This is just for you to understand what is noun. So, before moving on, just give me one word for noun. What that word could be? Define noun in one word. What will you say? Think. You have already learned it before. It's naming words. So, the words that name anything are called nouns. So, let us read the definition once. A noun is a word which names a person, place, animal, things, feelings, or even an idea. Once again, a noun is a word which names a person, place, animal, things, feelings, or even ideas. In short, noun is a naming word. Now, these are some examples of persons, place, animals, and things. Persons: Neha, mother, teacher. Place: restaurant, Delhi, beach. Animal: lion, cat, giraffe. Things: chair, pen, ball. Feelings: love, happiness, truth. These are some examples for noun. Now let's move on. Learn about the different kinds of nouns. We have different kinds of nouns. The first one is proper noun. A proper noun is a name of a particular person, place, animal, or things. Why do I have focused on the word particular here? Particular means I am specifically talking about something. Particular means I am specifically talking about something. Once again, a proper noun is the name of a person, particular person, place, animal, and things. It includes place, events, months, and days. For example, you may ask, what else are included in proper noun? It will again include places, people, animals, things, ideas, or feelings, but they all will be in specific. For example, if I say Arun Kirti, or it becomes proper noun. If I say Taj Mahal, it also becomes a proper noun. What else include in proper noun? Let us discuss one by one. First of all, name of people. For example, Kapil, Priyanka, etc. Because we specifically speak about certain people. It's a name of a specific person. Then titles. We give titles to the people. Like whenever we say Mr., Mrs. or Professor, again it is a proper noun. Buildings or monuments. For example, Taj Mahal, India Gate, etc. Then places. London, Sahara Desert, India. When we say the names of a specific particular place, it becomes a proper noun. Now let's talk about events. If I say that I have to attend an event, here event would be a common noun. But if I specify the event that I am going to participate or I am going to take part, that is like an Olympic game, then it becomes proper noun. So, Olympic game, Republic Day, Christmas, etc. are the names of an event and it becomes proper noun. I hope you are understanding it. Now, again one more thing. Imagine you are going somewhere. If I ask you, when will you be back from there? And if you say, ma'am, I will be back in a couple of months. Here, month becomes a common noun. Here, month becomes a common noun. But if you specify the month by saying, ma'am, I will be back by July. Here, you have specified the month. So, it's a proper noun. So the names of months, days of the week are also comes under proper noun. For example, January, Saturday, Friday, etc. Let's move on. Common noun. Usually, most of you have confusion between proper noun and common noun. Let's learn the definition first. A common noun denotes a person, place, animal, or things in general. In general. Remember the word general. Once again, a common noun denotes a person, place, animal, or things in general. But remember in proper noun it was only a specified names. A common noun denotes a person, place, animal or thing in general. This definition just looks like the definition for proper noun. But only one difference. Here names denote in general, but in proper noun names denoted specifically. Specific names are mentioned there. But common nouns are always in general. For example, you are not specifying the names here. I met a boy outside the school. You are just saying I met a boy, not specifying who the boy is. So here boy becomes a common noun. Remember, in common noun, person, place or things are in general. Noun, person, place, things are mentioned specifically. Hope it's clear to you. Let me give some more examples. Again, we will categorize them into people, animal, place and objects. Look at the examples given there. A small difference. There we don't give any particular names for the common noun. If I say I am going to a doctor, well, I am not mentioning any doctor's name particularly here. So the doctor, architect, teacher, tailor, etc. becomes a common noun. Same way, animals, lion, giraffe, tiger, etc. Then for places, if I ask you, where are you? Where are you planning to go if I ask? Mama, I am planning to go to a mall or I am going to school. Here, since you don't mention the particular name of a school or a mall, then it becomes common noun. If you don't mention which school or which hospital you are going, where you are going exactly, then it will become common noun. Next, objects. Television, computer, camera, etc. are all under comes common noun. Remember, proper nouns always begin with capital letters. Proper noun always begin with a capital letter even if they are in between the sentences. But common noun do not begin with capital letters unless they are used in the beginning of a sentence. Proper nouns are always capitalized, whereas common nouns do not unless they begin in a sentence. Hope you understood. Let's move on. Now, what are collective nouns? The next type of nouns. What are collective nouns? A collective noun denotes collection or a group of people, animals or things taken together as a whole. Once again, read from the definition all of you. A collective noun is just a collection of persons, place, animals and things taken together as a whole. So, collective noun is just a collection of people, places, animals and things taken together as a whole. Let me give you some examples. A place where we keep books together. What it is called? We call it a library. A library of books. Now, for people we can say crowd, team, gang, class, etc. For animals we say herd, flock, army. For example, army of ant. Let's see some more examples. A class of students, an army of soldiers, a choir of singers, a pack of thieves, a board of directors. So here the collective nouns are class, army, choir, band, pack, board, etc. Let's move on to the next type of noun, that is concrete nouns. Concrete noun. Let's read the definition together. Children, kindly read. A concrete noun is a name of things that have a material form. We can experience them through our five senses. We can hear, smell, taste and touch them. Once again, a concrete noun is a name of things that have a material form. We can experience them through our five senses. We can hear, smell, taste and touch them. For example, hair, scooter, oil, etc. Then move on to the abstract noun. Move on to abstract noun. What are abstract noun? You have already learned it. Hope you all are remembering. If you remember, when we said the definition of noun, we said that noun can be a name of an idea or a feeling. Yes. An abstract noun denotes a quality, ideas, feelings or a state of being. Hope you understood. An abstract noun do not have a material form. We cannot see, we cannot hear, smell, touch or taste them. For example, honesty, bravery, poverty, etc. I am very happy today. I am in the state of happiness. That will be an abstract noun. Honesty. Honesty is a quality. He is a very honest person. It's formed from the word honest. Honesty, it is formed from the word honest. Then poverty. It's a state of being. It has been formed from the word poor. Bravery. It is derived from the word brave. Formation of abstract nouns. Formation of abstract nouns. Abstract nouns can be formed by adding suffixes. I hope you know what is suffix. Suffix are the words that are added at the end of a word or a verb or an adjective. What are suffix? Suffix are the words that are added at the end of a word, verb or an adjective. So formation of abstract. How do we form abstract nouns? Abstract nouns can be formed by adding suffixes like NESS, SHIP, MENT, DOM, ITY, TH, TION, AGE. All these words, if you add as the suffix, if you add to the verb or an adjective, we get abstract noun. For example, if you add NESS to the word kind, it becomes an abstract noun, kindness. Same way, punish, punishment, grow, growth, destroy, destructions, etc. are some examples for abstract noun. We have countable and uncountable nouns. We already have learnt nouns which can be counted are called countable nouns. For example, students, cows, cities, etc. Nouns which cannot be counted are known as uncountable nouns. Nouns which we cannot be counted. Nouns which cannot be counted are known as uncountable nouns. For example, water, sugar, juice, etc. Abstract and concrete nouns can be both countable and uncountable. Nouns like situation, idea, trouble are both countable and abstract. Nouns like book, cat, spoon are both countable and concrete. Nouns like honesty, sadness, courage are both countable and abstract. Nouns like silver, clay, wood are uncountable and concrete. Then again we have some more, that is nouns can be singular, plural, countable, uncountable, feminine, masculine, possessive, etc. We can learn about all this in the coming chapters. Thank you.